Hello, welcome back. Today I'm going to explain you how to use the indicator that I'm going to share you for my customer account. So go to the indicator. Once I'll grant you the access to you. Once I have granted the access, you go to the invert industries and then you can add the indicator to the stock option chart, which will be shown to you like that. So once the indicator is added to the chart, so you can enable it. So this is how you will see a band at the bottom and you will see indicators. So that means the indicator is working for you. So the way that you need to add the stocks is, I'm going to show you an example of Maruti. First, add the Maruti feature to your watch list and then it is at 12,300 approximately. So what I'll do is, I'll add Maruti 12,300 February put and February call. So technically, what I'm doing is I'm taking both call and push of them, which is now if you look at the prices, the current one is at 318, one is at 300, one is at 330. So this is good for us. Okay. So take the call and put in the same range. Okay. So and once you have taken it, you can just apply. You can select the required symbol, and system will start showing you the signal. So right now, because of the uh, yeah, and one more thing before you see the data of the right, you have to go to the data here and then set up the expiry date, okay, which is February 27th. 27th Feb. So now that error is gone. You're seeing an error here, right? That error is gone. No? And now you can see the lot size of the mark is shown as 75. And it will also show you the results here, the trade result. Okay. As of now, it took only one trade, and that trade got a loss of 8,000 rupees. So this week, this is nothing but it will show you for a capital of 1 lakh rupees approximately. Okay. So again, here, you look at this one, it took two trades. Okay. The second trade is going in, and out of which the first one was a loss. I think, sorry, the first one gave you a 900 rupees profit, and the second one is you go to list of trades. First one gave you 937, second one is in 1,000 rupees loss. So, so this is buy only strategy. Okay, and the risk reward ratio here is 100%. Okay, I'll show you a couple of more signals for you. PGL 390 tab call, and now let's see. Here we got a number of trades. As you can see, with a capital of 1 lakh rupees, it gave you 77,000. Okay, the trades are from this. This is from August 1st. Okay, sorry, January 1st. Now let's pick the trades and then the put side. This is on the other side. That also gave you 14,000 rupees. Okay, you can see first trade got taken here and it got stepped out. So this is an internal indicator. It will automatically calculate the entry in this. Now let's say if you got the entry here, 100% of it is to this line. Before that it target hit, the signal has reversed. So that is the reason we are exiting it here. Now the other one, if you look at it here, yeah. So this one hit the target. Tomorrow, once the market starts, it will exit the trade. Okay. So the targets are taken on the close basis. Okay. Let's add one more. Okay, let's take Reliance. Okay, 1270. That means Reliance 1270. Yeah, 1270 call, 1270. Okay. Now I have added it. You can see it gave you 74,000 rupees profit. So from January 9th. Okay. And then again, let's take the other one. It also gave you 56,000 rupees profit. This is on a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Okay. As you can see, it will show you the number of lots. Here it taken 7 lots. Here it has like 3 lots because the price is more. Here the price is 24 rupees. Here the price is 41 rupees. So it took only half of the lots. Here, same. It's 35 rupees. It took 3 lots and then it's paid off. Okay. This is how you can use the signal. Now you can see here the target is set. You took the long trade here at 29 rupees and the target is set at 59 rupees. So it will come out of the trade. This is how this works in all the stock options. You just and before, yeah, once you are happy, just observe this for a month. And then once you're happy, then we can probably have a discussion separate. Thank you.